because this is only natural. I'm not questioning their motive. It's only natural for those who are not in power talking about reforms.
Mengutamakan kepentingan umum ramai itu lebih utama daripada kepentingan individu nak jadi Perdana Menteri dan sebagainya.
Dan apabila dia sudah nak menuntut bela, dia sudah tidak bertanya lagi, dia mesti membela. Atas apa keadaan pun, saya mesti sampai kepada kerusi itu.
Mengapa harus Datuk Seri Anwar bersekongkol dengan pembunuh lebih 1 juta rakyat Iraq ini?
Saya bersumpah bahawa saya telah berdiwan oleh Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim.
Anwar Ibrahim has created enough trouble for the country.
Dia duk berkawan baik dengan Anwar, yang ni jadi masalah.
Ada orang Melayu yang sanggup terima duit daripada Yahudi.
Anwar.
Lakukan ini dengan sikap bertanggung jawab, bukan sekadar populis.
Program kita akan lebih banyak membela nasib orang Melayu. Selamatkan Malaysia. Kita punya Ketua Menteri ni buat ni bagus. Dia jaga China, jaga Melayu, jaga India. Ya ampun, dasar ekonomi baru. Saya tahu, saya Menteri Kewangan 8 tahun. DAP PAS dia guna ini, kurang guna ini. Saya challenge dia untuk repeat dia punya agenda fully to the Chinese. Saya challenge DAP. Go, if they think they can survive.
Yang dia cakap pasal ketakwaan sekarang ni, bunuh geng lebih daripada memimpin nama.
Tutup untuk bersumpah, saya bersedia.
Well, you see, I plan to be a prime minister. I was acting prime minister. I mean, you check lah sejarah sikit lah.
2 minggu mesti itu Ketua Menteri dia punya wakil datang sini bagi sebagai insan. Kalau dia tak buat kerja,
Mati polis! Tanggung! Minta maaf dia minta maaf.
dia minta maaf lah.
Hari-hari susah hati, hari-hari menangis, sekali mati senang.
Kita bukan ada. Right, kita kena jaga.
Mau main-main sama saya cek semua, saya lawan.
Kita mahu orang-orang Melayu faham orang Cina. Saya cakap ini yakin kerana ada kawan-kawan di Sabah, Sarawak dan UMNO yang menghubungi saya. Mereka mengatakan, Anwar, please count me in. Sebab itu saya yakin sekarang kita ada 82 kerusi parlimen. Itu rasminya. Rasmi 82. Yang tak rasmi? Tidak rasmi. Cukup. Bagi tempoh kita sedikit. Kalau tidak Mei, Jun. Kalau tidak Jun, Julai. Kalau tidak Julai, Ogos. Dan tunggu waktunya.
That despite your success, you still need quite a few seats if you are to take power. Why do you think that's possible?
Well, it is possible, firstly because many of the members of parliament who had won now realize that the mood and the general support of Malaysians are with the Pakatan Rakyat. In fact, I have said 2 weeks ago that we have already the numbers.
Well, crossover our timetable. Across our timetable is still on. It's on schedule, and now it is more attractive after the first time. Minggu ini 4 orang ahli Parlimen Barisan Nasional akan menyertai kita.
Can you tell me specifically and exactly the number of people who you are going to tempt away and when this will happen? Because you've set yourself a very ambitious deadline.
This is a major strategy. If I say the number and the names, they will get people and
just the number will do.
We have adequate numbers, and that is important. I think we should go across that simple majority. It is important that that this is achieved for the country.
And you're confident that change will come by September the 16th, at which point you will become Prime Minister?
By September the 16th, we'll have, we're expected to have some major dramatic change in this country. And following that, of course, the person who commands the majority of the House will be asked to become the Prime Minister.
We are quite confident by 16 September we will be able to announce that we are ready. We are all ready to take over government.
Saya bersama dengan pemimpin keadilan DAP PAS dan tanda tangan surat kepada Perdana Menteri Abdullah Badawi, ditandatangani oleh Tuanku Ustaz Hadi Awang mewakili PAS, Mabi Kit Siang mewakili DAP dan saya mewakili keadilan, menulis kepada Perdana Menteri meminta ada pertemuan segera.
Although you can't name this ethnic or jumping over, can you at least tell us what is the majority that we have now?
We have a slight majority.
What's the figure?
Of course, it has to be beyond, in excess of 31. We keep increasing by the hour. I'm not joking. This morning, I received a note, a signed note from another member.
He said, if you have the numbers, go. That's what he said.
Yeah.
We need to have the numbers. Right? So, how long should we have to wait before Pakatan says enough is enough? How long would we have to wait before we see the Anwar Ibrahim of 1974, the street fighter, comes out to take the government work?
Thank you, it's been very kind. But yeah, that is why we are pressing for an immediate decision by Prime Minister Abdullah to convene, to ask the Speaker to convene the special session.